Ha! Pie time. It's paradise. And every time we roll out this pie, it's that time to be in paradise. Paradise pie. So we're about to do our mango dragon fruit with mango. The crust is almond. So we're putting 3 cups of soaked almonds, soaked for 12 hours, drain, rinse, and we're gonna put them right into our food processor. Almonds are a very special nut. You know, almonds are very alkaline. They're the only alkaline nuts that you could find. So we feature almond tremendously here on our Aris Life, product line. So we want to make sure you know what to do with these almonds. And we're going top shelf on you today. That paradise pie. We grind the almonds by themselves in the food processor. Almonds ground, ready. We're gonna do our passion dragon, a passion dragon fruit jam. We're using the red dragon fruit to make our jam. So we're gonna go ahead and peel that dragon fruit. Let's get the skin off of it. And wow, look at that. Look at that fuchsia. It's not even red. It's shocking fuchsia. We're going to remove our ground almonds from the food processor and place it right here in our mixing bowl. Now we're going to put the jam, portion of the jam, in the crust to put it together in order to hold it together. And little almond left in the food processor, no problem. Let's get our S blade in here. We're using dates. We have a dozen medjool dates, or 1 cup of medjool dates, pitted into our food processor. And let's get our dragon. Look at that. I'm gonna chop this up and put it in the processor to make our dragon jam right here. So let's go ahead and get to jamming. We're having a flaming dragon jam here. So we're putting some more dragon fruit in here. So that's 1 whole dragon fruit. And we're gonna keep grinding here. Perfect. We don't want it too smooth. We want to put a little bit of our jam right with our ground almonds. That's gonna hold it together right here. Here we go. And we're gonna mix this. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it by hand. Put that love in there. So here we get it. Almond dragon jam. Just like this here. With our dates inside that jam. And we're good to go. Perfect, perfect, perfect jam right here. Perfect crust. And I'm gonna press the crust out on our pie dish. So we have our pie dish all queued up right here. Ready to go. We're gonna get our dough and mold it right in to the pie dish right here. Press it out with our flat fingers. Go right up to the edge and cover the top lip of the pie dish as well. So This is a flaming crust. Very interesting, very exciting. And we're going to go ahead now and fill this crust here with our sliced mangoes with dragon fruit jam. Good to go. Wow, what a beauty, what a sight to behold. Now, we're gonna slip this aside here, and now, this is a soft, fresh crust. So we're gonna go ahead and give you the option. You can put this crust in the dehydrator. Dehydrate it, and it's going to come out firm like this. Almost look like it's baked. This is the same crust without the dragon fruit. It's just dates and almonds. That's it. We're going to go ahead, and what we're going to do is fill this pie shell for you today. This one, we're going to put it in the dehydrator for another day. So this is ready. We're flipping that over. And one last thing we want to do, we want to put some cinnamon in the rest of our jam. We're putting a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And this amount of jam that is left, we're using this in the filling. Great. We just stirred the cinnamon in there. We're going to get our sliced mango. Here we are. And we're going to put it right into our pie shell. There we go. Okay, our almond pie shell. We're going to go ahead and make a spiral mango shell in there. Okay, we're going to bring the other half of mango, put it on this side, do the same thing, and voila, we have one layer of mango, and we're going to the extreme. We're going to top this layer off with our dragon fruit jam. So we put half of the jam that we have right on top of that mango, and we spread it just like this. So you've got to see this. You've got to see what I'm seeing. Please take a look. Ha! Red flaming dragon mango. Let's put another layer of mango on top. I want to show you how I do this mango. First of all, I peel the mango. I go right here on the top side of the mango, and it's a ripe and firm mango, not juicy, not soft and soggy. And I'm just peeling it with a paring knife, and you see I'm rotating the mango right into the knife. And the knife, I'm using a sawing motion, in and out, sawing just like this. And the peel is about 3/4 of an inch wide. And I'm going all the way around, just like if you're peeling an orange, just like this. Here we go. All the way. And I'm rotating the mango right into the knife, all the way around, just like this. Boom. Ha. Now we're going to cut the jaws off of the pit. I'm pressing down on the mango seed all the way, pressing down, and I'm going in and out with the knife, sawing, actually carving the flesh off of the bone, carving that mango flesh off of the mango seed. Come to this other side, and I do the same thing. See where the knife is going right on top of the pit of the mango, just like this. See, clean cut. This mango pit was sprouting we're going to remove this mango sprout out of the flesh of the fruit. See, I saw it. See it coming out here, sprouting out. It's getting ready to grow into a mango tree. So we get rid of that. We're going to put this aside, and we're going to go ahead and slice our mango very thin. And we're slicing a cross way, not the length way. So we want to cut the strings of the mango so there will be no strings attached to your pie. That way you can have your pie and eat it too. Decadent at the top level. Okay, now we're going to fan this into the pie shell. Just like this, second layer. Just like that. We're going to let this twirl around. You see that? Just like this here. And we have the other half that we're getting ready to do as well. Slice that thin. And we keep going for it. Just like this. Jamming. Go ahead, Bob Marley. I'm jamming. Yes, Bob Marley style. This is it. We've got it going on here with our mango dragon fruit pie. Woo-hoo-wee. Woo-hoo-wee. Oh, yes. Now, we want to crown our pie. We want to garnish it with a well-deserving crown. So what we're going to do, we're going to put this metal in the center right there. And we're going to go ahead and pull some flowers. Yeah, see like that orange and red flower? Look at that. Look at that. We're talking perfection. Nature's perfection. Nature's perfection. All glory, all blessings. Boom. We got another dragon fruit here. This is a different color dragon. So let's see here. Let's pull this guy. Nice. Look at this guy here. Wow. Wow. White dragon. Take me to heaven. This is where I belong. Heaven on earth. My paradise. My mango paradise pie. Need I say more? Yes, I will say more. Hush your mouth.